Hey there, Leslie here. Well, we're going to do a series of videos, probably 3 of them, where we talk about problem solving for the beginner paralegal. Now, number 1 is a client may come into the office, and maybe this is an area of law where it is bankruptcy, and they own a home, and the attorney's asking them to produce a mortgage document, okay? And it might be another area of law as well, but they don't have a copy of it, and it'll be up to you to locate that document. Okay, so we find documents all the time. We have to go on the hunt and do that. All right, so the attorney will put that on you, and rightly so, to locate that. Now, number 2, understanding how to navigate different rules. Now, some of these could be the rules of your local court or the federal court, depending on what type of law your attorney practices, okay? It might be the rules of civil procedure for the state of California, and your state may call it a little bit something different, okay, a different name. But in Florida, it was called the rules of civil procedure for the state of Florida, and we didn't memorize that. It's like well over 800-900 pages, but we would know how to find things in it, okay, with experience. But it's something you should go look at for your state. Look up your federal rules of procedure for your region, okay, and see what that covers. It's a lot, but it's good to check it out, okay? So those are just 2. Your attorney may need you to find out how to do something. What does the rule say? And these are 3 areas you should be familiar with, okay, in that regard with rules. So get a leg up on this, have an advantage by looking these things up. You don't have to memorize it. It's just looking through it and figuring out, oh, where do I find that? And that's your detective work that will come into place. Now, don't forget to go to my website and look under every tab at paralegalcoffeetalk.com. We are starting our new, the Paralegal Inner Circle class and the Cover Letter Secrets class on September 1st. You can get on the wait list if you like, or just simply enroll on the 1st through the 4th of September, and then we close it down again. And that will be closed for a bit. So go check that out. It's on the website under courses and or Paralegal Inner Circle class. And look under every tab, and under the Paralegal Resource Hub tab, you'll see the Paralegal Playbook, totally free. Download that today.